Hello friends, now today we are going to see the short intro to the plotting drawings. So let's go. Open our AutoCAD. Take the new sheet. Press enter. Now we have the new sheet and to introduction the plotting drawings means if we have drawn any mechanical component for this and we have to need to give any our customers, that's why we can use the plot command by typing plot in the command prompt, this type a command window, or as well as you can also use the print option, means you can type the print in the type command window and just by pressing enter you get the window of it. Now after creating drawings of any architectural plans and mechanical components, you may need to be send it to the client or have a hard copy of the reference. To do so, you need to plot the drawing. To plot the drawing, choose the plot from the command prompt, or we can also directly dynamic inputs. And for this we need just enter. Now I'm going to enter plot. Here you can see there is a plot command. Just enter, you will get the window as like here there are the options, page setup and plot style and the shaded plot and the quality. In quality you can choose the quality of that file to which you have to give your customer or clients. And here is the printer. There are so many printers you can choose. And here is the paper size, and there are many options for this. As you want to give the customer as per the specification, you can set this page. After that, just OK. Now it shows non plot device selected, please select another device. I am not connected to any printer and for give this print, and I have also not drawn any object because I am just giving the introduction to the plotting drawings. In the next video I will explain in detail. Thank you friends.